Our journey takes us back to the dawn of human history. Imagine a time before written language. Think of a time before the pyramids graced the sands of Egypt. We venture to an era when oral traditions were the sole keepers of history. It's within these ancient tales that we find the story of Noah's Ark. This story echoes through cultures across the globe. It speaks of a monumental event, a world cleansed by a great flood. The story of Noah's Ark is deeply entwined with the early history of humankind. It's a story passed down through generations, eventually finding its way into religious texts like the Bible. The book of Genesis, in particular, provides the most detailed account. This account tells of a time when humanity strayed from a righteous path. Faced with this moral decay, God chose to purify the earth. He decided on a flood of unimaginable scale. However, amidst this impending destruction, there was a beacon of hope. Noah, a righteous man, Noah found favor in the eyes of God. In the heart of the Genesis narrative lies a profound message. God, witnessing the pervasive wickedness of humanity, was deeply saddened. The earth, once a paradise, was marred by violence and corruption. The hearts of men and women had strayed far from the path of righteousness. God, in his infinite wisdom, saw the need for a new beginning. He decided to cleanse the earth, washing away the evil that had taken root. But God, in his infinite mercy, also chose to preserve life. He selected Noah, a man known for his righteousness and unwavering faith, to be the shepherd of a new beginning. Noah was instructed to build an ark, a massive vessel capable of weathering the storm and safeguarding the seeds of a renewed world. God's instructions were precise. The ark was to be built of gopher wood, a type of wood resilient to decay and water damage. It was to be made watertight, sealed inside and out with pitch. Noah's Ark, as described in the book of Genesis, was a marvel of ancient engineering. Its sheer size was staggering. Imagine a wooden vessel longer than a football field, towering over 4 stories high. This was a ship built on a scale never seen before. The ark's construction was a testament to the ingenuity of Noah and his sons. The hull, crafted from sturdy gopher wood, was designed to withstand the immense pressure of the floodwaters. The interior, divided into numerous compartments, served as a sanctuary for a diverse array of animals. These compartments weren't just cages, they were designed to provide a safe and comfortable haven for their inhabitants. The pitch, meticulously applied to the ark's interior and exterior, acted as a sealant, ensuring the vessel remained watertight. Section 4, a menagerie beyond imagination. The story of Noah's Ark is perhaps most famously associated with the animals. God commanded Noah to bring aboard pairs of every living creature. This included beasts of the land, birds of the air, and creatures that creep upon the earth. This ensured the continuation of life after the flood subsided. The logistics of gathering and accommodating such a diverse menagerie were staggering. Imagine the sight of animals from far and wide converging towards the ark. Lions and lambs, elephants and mice, eagles and doves, all gathered in one place, their survival entrusted to Noah and his family. The ark's interior, meticulously designed by God, provided ample space for this incredible collection of creatures. Every species had its designated compartment, ensuring their safety and comfort. Section 5. Guardians of a Green Future. The inclusion of animals on Noah's Ark was not limited to ensuring their survival. It also served a crucial purpose in the regeneration of the post-flood world. Animals, as we know, play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems. But what about the plant kingdom? The floodwaters, we can imagine, would have decimated forests and fields alike. It's believed that Noah was also tasked with bringing aboard seeds, cuttings, and saplings of various plant species. These botanical treasures, carefully stored and protected within the ark's confines, would play a vital role in restoring the Earth's greenery. The survival of plant life, thanks to their efforts, ensured the survival of countless other species that depended on them for food and shelter. Section 6. The ark's silent chronometers. Timekeeping within the confined, windowless space of the ark presented a unique challenge. How did Noah and his family keep track of the days and nights, the weeks and months spent aboard the ark? The Bible doesn't offer a detailed explanation, but ancient traditions provide a captivating possibility: the use of gems. Certain gems, known for their fluorescence and phosphorescence, were believed to possess timekeeping properties. These gems, emitting light after being exposed to sunlight, could have served as natural clocks. Imagine a set of these gems carefully placed within the ark, each glowing with a different intensity or color, depending on the time of day or night. These chronometer gems could have provided Noah and his family with a visual indication of the passage of time, even within the ark's dimly lit interior. Section 7. The deluge awaits. The stage is now set for the deluge. The ark, a testament to faith and obedience, stands complete. Its vast hull, crafted from sturdy gopher wood, awaits the rising tide. Within its carefully compartmentalized decks, a stunning array of animals, representatives of Earth's biodiversity, seek shelter. Seeds and saplings, guardians of a future green world, are safely stowed away. Noah and his family, their hearts heavy yet resolute, prepare to enter the ark. They carry with them the weight of a divine mission, the hope of a world reborn. The sky darkens, pregnant with the promise of a downpour unlike any other. The wind howls, a harbinger of the impending cataclysm. The animals stir, sensing the shift in the air, their instincts whispering of the storm to come. The fate of humanity, of all living things, hangs in the balance, entrusted to a single vessel and the unwavering faith of a righteous man named Noah.